Loading and unloading the bar. We're into week 5 of the month and I'm talking about miscellaneous things. Things that don't necessarily fit all that neatly into the other 4 categories. And in this week's video, I'm going to talk about things that we may be doing in the club that perhaps make things a bit harder than they have to be, or mean we lose the effectiveness of the exercise we're doing. In today's video, I'm going to recap how to load and unload the bar. Now, I do cover this in sessions, but I appreciate it's easy to miss that and to forget it. There's a few little things to remember. Firstly is how to use these clips. I would definitely use them for bench pressing. Deadlifting, it's optional. You're unlikely to let the plate slide off, but maybe better safe than sorry. All you do when it's open like that, slide it on the end, push it to shut, like that. Pretty obvious that one. It's the opening bit we sometimes struggle with a bit more. You want to put your thumb on this pointy bit here, fingers there, and then separate it out like that. Now with the new ones, with the red pointy bit there, it's a little stiffer, but it will still go. So just thumb there, pull out, and it'll open or close. The next thing that people struggle with is actually getting the weights on and off the bar. And that's nearly always because they're just trying to shove on one side, which as you can see, just causes the plate to turn into the bar and grip it more tightly. Whatever version we're doing, we need to keep the plate perpendicular to the bar, so it just slides on and off. You can see there how easy that is. The plate is just sliding like that, a little bit like, do you remember those toys you had as a kid where you used to run that handle around those wires, trying not to let it touch and beep? Same sort of thing. Minimise the touch between the plate and the bar, just slides on and off. A few other things you can do to make it a little bit easier. If you have multiple plates on here, if you've got one on, roll that plate onto a smaller plate like that to raise it. It's then much easier to add and take weights off and then roll it back off. You also have this little thing here which you can use to lift the bar off the floor. You can, if you want, just lift it up and pop it under, like so. Another way, particularly if it's quite heavy there, is to put the shorter side underneath, like that, and the combination of rolling the bar and pushing that down, you can see it lifts it off the ground. But whatever version you're doing, the main thing to remember is not to just push on it or pull on it, it's to slide it perpendicular, even if that involves coming around here. See how easily that goes on and off compared to them just pulling on that. So that, guys, is how to load and unload the bar in the easiest, most effective way.